Hello there. If you're looking to expand your brand on YouTube, I can help you with that. I am a YouTube marketing expert and I specialize in YouTube SEO. By optimizing your videos, we can reach a wider audience and increase your online visibility. My name is Kamrul Hasan, and I work as a full-time freelancer. As a well-updated YouTube marketing and SEO specialist, I understand how to rank a video on the first page and how the YouTube algorithm works. I will provide video SEO and YouTube promotion to help your YouTube channel grow, using the right YouTube marketing strategy based on the latest YouTube algorithm. With my extensive knowledge and experience in YouTube SEO, content strategy, and video production, I can develop and execute effective YouTube marketing campaigns. These campaigns will not only drive traffic to your channel but also generate leads and enhance brand awareness. As a professional YouTube expert, I have continuously honed my skills and developed a YouTube marketing plan to optimize video content. This plan is designed to drive organic traffic and make your videos go viral. So, if you're ready to make your dreams come true on YouTube, I have the top skill set and experience to help you achieve that.